These ladies and gentlemen, under the banner of Youth Empowerment Solutions Association, YESA, are in Jakiri for a campaign to combat COVID-19 in the subdivision. The campaign focuses on sensitization of the locals and the distribution of the COVID-19 preventive kits.
We've started with 10 buckets, 10 cartons of savons, and then about 3,500 face masks, and then megaphone to go around sensitize the population, and then with some other little things. Hand sanitizers are also there, and we pray that when we give you use it judiciously.
The deadly second wave of the virus has not left out Jakiri, as some infected cases have been identified and even dead cases recorded in the town. It is for this reason that this Yaoundé-based association, YESA, an initiative of a Jakiri native, returned home to remind the population that
COVID-19 is not yet out. We have not yet conquered it. So we are here out today to sensitize people concerning the barrier measures, like the social distancing, that is 1 meter away from your neighbors when you are moving, or when you are in a crowd, or 2 meters away if possible. Then they need to also continue practicing frequent hand washing with soap under running water, or the hand sanitizer that we are here today to share. You use the hand sanitizer frequently to cleanse your hands with. You should avoid shaking of hands.
the distribution of soap, among others, in a market square caught the attention of the vulnerable inhabitants of Jakiri, who are trapped by both the global health crisis and the Anglophone brouhaha. Even though some degree of resistance to the wearing of face masks is waged by the separatist fighters in the villages, the people of Jakiri are more conscious of the existence of coronavirus and wants to prevent themselves.
This will go a very long way to help all the people in Jakiri. For a start, you know that there are 10 buckets, 3 are going to SOP, 3 from Car and 3 for Jakiri. And those for Jakiri specifically, 1 will go to the Kali Church, 1 will go to the divisional office, 1 will go to the council, and 1 will be at Abakwa here to be controlled by a particular set of ladies every evening and making sure that there's always water inside. We know that YESA has just started, and YESA, we say that YESA has come to stay.
These volunteers, whose genuine intention is to help their brethren, intensify the call.
You need to visit a health unit where you can do your COVID test free of charge. The COVID-19 test is free of charge. You can go to any center that they are doing the test. You go and test yourself to see if the signs that you are having, signs and symptoms that you are having, they are really those of COVID-19 or any other respiratory infection, so that they can follow you up.
Arian call to the users that they should take care of these buckets, because they are very large buckets, 60-liter buckets, and we are begging on goodwill people to always fill these buckets with water, because they will be in public places. It is for our health. Health is wealth.
There are 10 buckets. We know they are not enough. For now, we'll put them in junctions, and then we'll put some in offices, and then in churches, and then market space.
It is true that much awareness has been created so far in Jakiri by different services, but officials must not relent their efforts in saving lives. After all, prevention is cheaper and better than cure.